Hi, Shirley from ShiFio patterns here today, and I'm going to show you how to make this really pretty loop stitch. Isn't that nice? And if you want to know how to do this border, then I'll put a link to it. We have a video of that as well, but isn't that really pretty? Quite easy to do. That's the back. That's not too bad either. If it was on a blanket, you would know if it was the right side or the wrong side. So that's good. I wouldn't say quite reversible, but it's not too bad. Right, let's get started. I've just done a couple of rows. Garter stitch to start this one off. Reasons being I miscounted the stitches on the original one. Anyway, so this is a multiple of 7 plus 1 plus 2. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, plus 1 plus your 2 edge stitches. Okay, so row 1 is, I'm not knitting with the tail, row 1 is knit into the back of your first stitch. Okay, and then it's knit 1, and then the repeat is purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, knit 1. That's your repeat. So that's your edge stitch, then it's knit 1, and the repeat was purl 1, knit 4, purl 1, knit 1. So we'll do that again. Purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, knit 1. Once more. Purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, knit 1, and your edge stitch, which I slip. Okay, so row 2 is knit into the back of your edge stitch. Okay, purl 1, and then the repeat is knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, purl 1. Okay, so edge stitch, purl 1, then it's knit 1, purl 4, knit 1, purl 1. So we'll do that again. Knit 1, purl 4, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, knit 1, purl 1. So we'll do that once more. Knit 1, purl 4, 2, 3, 3, 4, knit 1, purl 1. I slip my edge stitch. It's just what I do. It makes a nice edge up the side. Okay, so row 3. That tail's going to get in my way. Edge stitch is knit 1 through the loop, and then it's knit 1, and then it's your repeat is purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, knit 1. Okay, edge stitch, knit 1. The repeat is purl 1, knit 4, purl 1, knit 1. Okay, so it's knit 1. That's purl 1, I apologize. Purl 1, knit 4, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, knit 1. Okay, again. Purl 1, knit 1. Oops, it's not knit 1, it's knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, knit 1. This is your last stitch. There we go. Okay, row 4 is knit into your back of your first stitch, then purl 1, and then your repeat is knit 1, whoops, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, purl 1. Okay, edge stitch, purl 1. The repeat is knit 1, purl 4, knit 1, purl 1. Okay, so it's knit 1, purl 4, 1, whoops, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, purl 1. Okay, start again. Knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, purl 1, last stitch. Now this is the row. This is the slightly complicated row. So that's your first stitch, just knit into the back of it, and then you knit 1, and the next is your repeat, so it's purl 1. And then what you do is you've got your sets of 4 rows and 4 stitches. Okay, so the 4th stitch you count down 1, whoops, so I get my needle around, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 4th stitch there at the bottom, and you put your needle through and you take your yarn round it. Well, you would. I've been doing this all day yesterday to practice. Yarn round it and pull it through. So you pull it up like that, okay? And you put that side on the needle, and then you knit into the back of the 2 stitches, whoops, together. Okay? Again, into the same stitch, yarn round your needle, pull the loop through, okay? So then you hook it on that way, so then you knit into the back of the 2 together. Okay, 3rd one, into there, round, through, onto your needle, knit into the back, knit the 2 together. Okay, last one, so you can see where now you're putting your needle in. Whoops. In, yarn round, through, and you hook it on like that. Into the back, knit the 2 together. Now you can see how that works. Okay, so then it's purl 1, knit 1. Okay, so we're going to do that again. So it's purl 1, okay, and there's your set of 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 4th stitch, which is down there, needle through, yarn round the needle at the back, pull it through and up, and hook it on like that. Knit both together through the back loop. Okay, now down again, yarn around the needle at the back, pull it through, hook it on that way, and then knit the 2 together through the back loop. Okay, now again, down through that 4th row, 4th stitch hole down the bottom, pull it through, hook it on like that, needle through the back, knit them both together. Okay, last one. Now you can see again, down there, round the back, pull it through, hook it on, knit them both together. Isn't that so pretty? Right, and then it's purl 1, knit 1. Right, I've got one more lot to show you. You can rewind it and watch it again. So it's purl 1 and then 4th stitch, 4th row. You put your needle down through that stitch, hook the yarn round your needle, the back, pull it through and hook it on your needle like that. Didn't quite catch that one. And hook it on your needle like that and then knit the 2 stitches together. Whoops, like that, whoop, like that, like that, like that. Okay, so down again through there, through, yarn round, missed it, yarn round, pull it up and then hook it on backwards and then knit the 2 together. There we go. And the third one is down through there, whoops, yarn round the back, pull it up, hook it on and knit the 2 together. And then we're going to do the last one, which is down, hook it round, through, hook it on backwards like that, then knit 2 together through the back. Oops. Okay, and then it's purl 1, knit 1, and then round and slip your last stitch. Right, let's have a look. Right, so you can see it's right at the bottom there. It's that 4th stitch, 4th row down on each of them. 4th stitch, 4th row down on each of them. Right, so row 6 now is knit into the back of your 1st stitch, purl 1. Then your repeat is knit 1, purl 4, 1, go on, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, purl 1. Okay, start again, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, whoops, purl 1, start again, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, purl 1, slip my last stitch because that's what I do. Right, let's have a look. Let me have a look at that. Isn't that so sweet? Unusual. Very. Even a row of them around the bottom of a cardigan. Very nice. Right, wait till I get the larger one in so you can have another look at how it is on a larger scale. See, I was practicing on that. Really pretty, very beautiful, I think, and unusual. Anyway, that's the video for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, like, subscribe so you see all the videos as they come on, and share, and happy knitting till the next time.